Hello everyone, welcome back to Geometry Zone. In today's lesson, we are going to learn one of the most important theorems in circle geometry, the angle at center theorem. By the end of this lesson, you will understand what the theorem says, what is true, how to prove it, and how to solve problems using it. At first, we know what is a central angle. Consider a circle center O. Take 2 points A and B on the circle and join them to the center. The angle AOB here, angle AOB is called the central angle. Angle AOB is called central angle. Choose another point C on the circumference and join CA and CB. Now we get an angle ACB and it is called angle at circumference. Both angles stand on the same chord AB. The statement of the theorem. The angle subtended by an arc at the center of the circle is twice the angle subtended by the same arc at any point on the remaining part of the circle. That is, here we can prove angle AOB that equal to 2 into angle ACB. Now construction. Joint CO and it is extend up to the point D. Angle AOC here OA that equal to OC, that is OA and OC are equal and they are the radii of the same circle, and we know that the opposite angle of the two equal side of any triangle are equal. Therefore here angle OAC, angle OAC that equal to angle OCA. Again, each case, side CO of triangle AOC is extended up to the point D. Therefore, the exterior angle AOD that equal to angle OAC, that is this angle, plus angle OCA, because we know that the exterior angle of any triangle is equal to the sum of the opposite interior two angle, this angle, that equal to 2 into angle angle BOC, angle BOC, and this relation is coming from the triangle AOC. Now we get from the triangle BOC, here OB and OC are also equal and they are the radii of the same circle. Again, BOD is the exterior angle and it is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angle, that is angle BOD, that equal to angle OCB plus angle OBC. But these two angles are also equal. Therefore, we written as that equal to 2 into angle OCB. If we join the equation 1 with 2, we get angle AOD plus angle BOD and this angle, and their sum will be this, that is angle ACB, that equal to angle ACB. The sum of these two angles equal to the angle ACB, and we get the right hand side, that is 2 is the common part of these two part, and we get angle OCA plus angle OCB. And if we observe these two angles from this figure, we get the sum equal to this angle, that is equal to 2 into angle AOB. So we say that the angle at center by any arc is the double of the angle formed by the same arc at the point on the circle.